Open the finisher front door. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to move the staple cartridge assembly all the way to the front. Hold the knob to immobilize the staple cartridge assembly. Grasp the colored handle on the staple cartridge carriage, and then pull the staple cartridge carriage straight out. Using the two tabs on each side of the staple cartridge, lift up to remove the empty staple cartridge from the staple cartridge carriage. Do not discard the staple cartridge carriage. It must be reused with the new staple cartridge. Recycle the empty staple cartridge. Insert the new staple cartridge into the staple cartridge carriage. Hold the knob to immobilize the staple cartridge assembly. Insert the new staple cartridge into the assembly, and then push the colored handle inward until it snaps into place. Rotate the knob clockwise to move the staple cartridge assembly back into the finisher. Close the finisher front door.